Our video presentation will encompass various errors in the pre-analytical phase of the laboratory procedure. Do you know how crucial this phase is? One small error could alter the whole laboratory result, leading to misdiagnosis that might cause complication in the long run. Now, in the following scene, we will demonstrate how simple errors such as mislabeling and mishandling of specimen could alter the whole laboratory result.
Pinapunta kasi ako ng doktor dito eh. Sige, nakakabisin ko. Pinapunta ko ako ng doktor dito for the test.
So, for CBC po kayo, no?
So, we missed it all.
For the breakfast po kayo or like water?
No, water lang po.
Prepare ko lang po yung mga
CBC na sa'yo.
Oo.
Sa'yo?
Dami ng papa CBC ngayon, nagugutom na ako.
Yeah.
Saan nakain namin?
Hindi ko alam. Pwesa? Sa mga kain.
Nagugutom na ako.
So, sir, confirm ko lang po na 19 years old. Pagod na ako. So, na ako.
Kapagod na. Sa tingin mo, marami pa tayong patient.
Sana wala nang pumunta. Start na po tayo. Pakilagay na lang po yung carne dyan. Then, fist dito. Pa-close na lang po. So, for now, check ko lang po muna yung vein, ha? So, I'm Alphys Fernando po, your phlebotomist for the day. Kumusta naman po kayo?
Medyo kinakabahan po.
Ano, iskip na lang po, ha? Pakiangat na lang po yung face. Okay, sir. Disinfect ko lang po yung area, ha? Kumain po ako ngayon, sir?
Breakfast.
That's good po. Okay, sir, paangat na lang po. So, we're gonna start na po, ha?
Wala pa.
Build that up, then... Yung malalim po. Ano yung inhale? Please. Kumusta ba kayo, sir?
Okay lang po.
Sahaan ko na po kayo.
Sige po, 1, 2, 3.
Pakisabi na lang po if masakit or not. May pumilya na po ba kayo?
Wala pa. Natanda at akong dalabi.
Kawawa naman po kayo.
Okay lang.
Ulitin po natin, ha?
Sige po.
Masikip pa po. Close switch tayo. Sige po, manual. Dagdagan pa siya.
Actually, pwede siya. Sinabi rin sa amin ni Sir dati. If ayaw bumaba from stop, push na.
Pwede yun.
Ano ba? Diba?
Kasi pwede naman ganun para masabi.
Okay. Ayun. Sir, okay na po yung balik na lang po kayo after 2 to 3 hours para makuha yung result.
Thank you po.
Okay? Thank you po.
Balik na lang po kayo, ma'am, for the test result. Mga 2 to 3 hours lang naman.
Okay po. Thank you po.
Sige po, sige po.
Grabe mga medyo ko. Thank you.
This time, we will illustrate the proper way of performing the pre-analytical phase. Stay tuned to know why the pre-analytical phase play a crucial role in ensuring accurate laboratory results.
Pre-analytical phase is crucial since it encompasses various steps before the actual testing of specimens. One simple error in this phase could alter the life of the patient. Our video presentation shows how important it is to stay professional at all times, especially when dealing with patients to ensure their safety and accuracy of test results. One simple mistake could lead to misdiagnosis that could cause further complications to the patients without the assigned phlebotomist even noticing it. Hence, the pre-analytical phase should be performed properly to ensure that the patients will have accurate results and correct diagnosis.